So I've just come this weekend to Keely's retreat, her Freedom Transformation Formula retreat, where we've been learning a lot more about her program and also just a lot of techniques, tactics, skills about our own journey through dealing with our stress, dealing with our anything really that brings you down, that helps you not perform as you can do. So Keely's very, very knowledgeable about the whole thing. She's got so many ideas pouring out of her of how you can deal with these things, but also a really safe space so that you can connect with where your journey is now, learn about yourself, think about the things that you've experienced. And for me, I've had a really challenging week. In fact, it was the perfect weekend to come away and look into my own story of what had happened and take some time to actually identify what was going on and let go of it, instead of carrying that stress with us. So Keely is very powerful in her own journey about letting go of those stresses that hold us back. So, if you're thinking you need somewhere like that to go, you need somebody to talk to, then I would highly recommend Keely Woolley.
Hi, I'm Leanne. I'm on Keely's retreat this weekend. It's going really well. The training's been really informative. It's a beautiful venue, and we've had lots of yoga and meditation as well, and the food's been brilliant.